Hello, in this video we will be demonstrating how to get started using LinuxONE. LinuxONE is an IBM mainframe product that uses Linux and open source software. We will be installing Docker and Docker Compose in order to run an instance of WordPress. If you don't already happen to have one of these mainframes sitting around, the easiest way to get access to LinuxONE is with an account from the LinuxONE Community Cloud. Registration is rather quick and painless. Once you've filled out this form and submitted it, you will receive your credentials, and once you have those, you can launch an instance of Red Hat Linux via the dashboard. Here you can see the information for an instance I've already launched, including its name, devjourney10, as well as its IP address. I'll use that IP address to connect to the instance via SSH. The Cloud Native Workload on LinuxONE repo contains the commands you will need to install Docker and Docker Compose. First, for Docker, we'll need to download the files, which I've already taken the liberty of doing to save time for this demonstration. Following that, you'll need to unpack the files, and then copy them to the correct directory. After which, you just need to start the Docker daemon. Success. Now on to Docker Compose. Few steps to set that up, and then install Docker Compose itself. Now, all we need are the contents of a Docker Compose.yaml file, which we will borrow from the Scalable WordPress Deployment on Kubernetes repo. Here are our contents. And now a simple Docker Compose up command. And our instance will be complete. While that's running, I'll just go ahead and grab this IP address. For our instance, you simply need to use a web browser to browse the IP address of your instance. You'll be looking for port 8080. And when all of this is done running, you will be presented with the initial configuration screen for WordPress. Thanks for watching, and have fun with LinuxONE.